So you've been struggling to book private events. You don't know where to start, how to reach out to people, how to price that private event, how to pitch that private event. I'm joined today with Peyton Henderson,
Hello.
one of our link trainers and a part of our 60K a month club. Peyton, what's probably the biggest contributor to that 60K a month strategy?
One of the biggest things that I implemented that really started to move the needle towards that growth was doing permanent jewelry tastings, for sure.
Permanent jewelry tastings is that event that sells the event. It's the strategy that helps you overcome the unknowingness of, how do I price this event? How do I pitch this event? How many chains do I even bring to a private event? And how do I overcome the number one question so many permanent jewelry artists face? How much is it, or how much do you charge?
Also objections. People don't know how to be able to navigate those pieces of oh, well, that's out of my budget, or maybe I should do something different. And so being able to navigate those with confidence is a huge thing.
I think that's what it's all about. The most successful people in business, it's 95% confidence and 5% skill, right?
Own it and live it.
It's your business, but how you present yourself, how you're able to talk about permanent jewelry, how you're able to bring value as to why someone wants you at their event is so key.
And also creating that emotion
Yep.
of why we should be at your event, what we're going to do to elevate that event to make it the thing of the season that all of your friends and family are talking about.
Yep, and let's face it, every season has private events. Look at this. In the spring, it's wedding season. In the summer, it's barbecues, home parties, wine tastings, things of that nature. In the fall, you have private events, you have corporate holiday parties, you have Christmas parties, all those different types of events that happen in each season. Permanent jewelry can be a part of, but it all starts with knowing how to approach somebody that may not even know about permanent jewelry on why you should be at that event.
Education. It's educating them on what we are, what we offer, and why to make the decision to choose us to make their event the next thing.
If you don't know how to properly position yourself in the market, this class could be the #1 class that catapults your business from 0 to 5 and 6 figures every single year.
It also gets you into markets that you never thought that you would possibly be able to get into. It gives you connections with people that you were thought, okay, I would love to work with this dream client, but opportunities of giving them a free tasting, it gets them into your door or you into their door to be able to make that difference.
Yeah, it's all about the law of reciprocity. Think about it like this. You sit down with a consumer, you discuss your product or service, you give them a nice piece as a thank you to them for allowing that opportunity. They walk away happy. You have that reminder every day about your services on their wrist, and you're providing them something truly unique. Because let's face it, whether you're a bride, a corporate manager, you're looking to host a bridal shower, a baby shower, bar mitzvah, quinceañera, or anything in between, all those events want to be truly unique, truly special. And that's ultimately what a permanent jewelry tasting does, is gets you to those events.
And not only that, we are able to guide you through step by step where you feel prepared. So it's not just telling you how to get in front of these people and getting these events, but truly step by step, what to do, what to say, how to do it, and how to close the deal with confidence and clarity that you're able to make those steps right now and change the trajectory of your business.
So if you're thinking to yourself, I want to book more private events, I want to take control of my schedule. I don't want to have to rely on waking up every Saturday and going to a festival or farmer's market. I want to have systems in my business. I want to have predictability. Permanent jewelry tastings is for you. It's for that individual that truly wants to make 5, 10K a month and have consistency and predictability in their schedule. It's for that individual that wants to understand how I don't have to hold hundreds of chains in inventory. I only need the chains that I'm going to have for that particular event. It's for that individual that wants to take back their time, spend more time with their family and friends, and still have a successful 5 and 6 figure business.
Imagine having one event that could pay your mortgage and having a couple of hours and it's done for the month and it's not something you have to worry about. Or maybe it's a smaller event that is going to pay a lot of your utility bills. You know, you don't even have to think of these as the huge, large events. These small events can compound to make huge differences in your personal life.
So Peyton, how much do you make with permanent jewelry tastings a month?
I I would say anywhere from probably $7,000 to $10,000.
That's huge. And how many hours a month do you actually spend at these private events?
Most events are anywhere from like 2 to 4 hours, and I'm doing probably 2 to 3, maybe more, 5, 6, 7 events a month. It just depends. We go through ebbs and flows of what's busy season, what's a little bit slower season with these events. But what's great is that doesn't really show in the books because they're prepaying and or putting down large deposits and making payments. And so you're seeing that money now and throughout the whole entire year.
If you're looking for predictability, if you're looking to take notes from probably the most successful permanent jewelry artist we know, and it's not just Link student, but we know in the country, take this permanent jewelry tastings course. It will truly change your life. I'm a firm believer in success leaves clues. Peyton, when you started out, did you start out just making all this money?
Oh, heck no. I knew I was being guided to permanent jewelry, but did I think that it was going to turn into the numbers that it has turned into? No, but it was something that I was passionate about, and I thought it was going to be something great to do on the side in addition to, and in turn, it's turned into my full-time business.
Why do you think you're successful?
Because I don't take no for an answer.
To me, that relentless attitude is what leads to success. When you remove failure as a potential outcome, the only thing that's left is success. So what's stopping you from being successful? Clicking the link below, getting started, and taking 30, 45 minutes of your time to change the whole direction of your business. Click the link below, and we look forward to seeing you on the inside.